Welcome back to the channel. It's time to get into one of the biggest rust repairs I have done to date. And if you're interested in this kind of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button, as it does support the channel. In this episode, we'll be getting the outer rocker, side panel, and front wheel well installed. If you're interested in seeing how I installed the inner rocker, make sure to check out a previous video. But for now, let's go back to where it all started. Looks crunchy. Yeah. Absolute crunch fest. So, gonna have to order that rocker. I don't know what you'd call this piece, but water used to come in through there when it would rain and wet our clothes. You can see this is a big crusty hole. So that's gonna take a lot of work. Little did I know then how much a lot of work really meant, as I ended up tearing this thing down all the way to the cross members. But now, with having everything all fit up, I was seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. So I got to work on the outer B-pillar, and thankfully, I bought a replacement piece for it, as I don't want to try to fabricate things with curves like this. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and if you are subscribed, leave a comment what your favorite episode is. Now on to replacing that crusty C-pillar. I did have to make some modifications to the replacement part that I bought, but I am so grateful that someone makes it, and I do recommend buying it from him if you need it.
Perfect.
I also went ahead and fabricated the inner B-pillar using what was left over of the outer B-pillar skin. And as you'll see, it ended up turning out pretty good. Before I got everything all zipped up, I metal treated the inside, POR 15'd it, and then it was time to get the outer skins installed. Now I know this video was a bit shorter than usual, but it was a lot of work to do in the last 3 days. If you're interested in seeing the project continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you've enjoyed the contents, the videos, and the channel, consider hitting that super thanks button, as it really does help out, as I'm buying a lot of parts and doing my best to release videos 2 times a week for you guys. Thank you for always supporting the channel, all of the kind comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to check out our custom wood burnings. Mallory is currently working on one. She's always busy. And as always, I love you all.